Hey everyone, I'm unboxing a pair of Etnies Jameson 2 Eco Skate Shoes. They just came in the mail. I don't particularly like to buy things on Amazon, but I had a gift card and these were something I needed because I needed something that I think these are going to be like work appropriate as well as skate appropriate. But let's find out. So here's the box. Let's take a look. So here they are. You can see mostly navy, gum rubber soles, of course, some brown, kind of dark khaki in the back. I like the look of these so far. Says they are STI Comfort Level 1. I need to think of a new abbreviation there. Comfort Level 1, that doesn't sound promising unless Level 1 is the best. I don't know. Anyway, they look a little padded, which is nice. Then they also definitely look business casual appropriate. So another plus, basically fulfills what I was looking for. As long as they are sturdy enough, they're not going to hurt my feet skating, I'd say I'm happy with them. I will probably do a full review after I do skate with these a little bit. There is some white paint on the bottom of them for some reason. I don't know if that's an Etnies problem or an Amazon problem, or who even knows fulfills these anymore. But good to hear their the eco model, a tree disguised as a shoe, is the what's on the tag here. Etnies says they've planted 2 million trees since 2011. That's pretty cool. I don't have much else to say about these. I like them first impressions, but I'll do a full review after I put them into action. All right.